KCTV, lawan Rashipi daka Frank Yamaha, the Maxi Sports Scooter Aerox 155. Ringkat bakanet foolish, ordar mapi, nginwan ramani, hakir dobyeng jompi.
Saleng Sangma ubalalong MLA la laisin kenti jong Gambigre constituency tang hapo khindiat kenta ba ula resign no nagajilong MLA haka arfulai tari ukulalingkot arja afulai ulalai bempunya so berkaseng kongres haka jingalang gabalalong kongres bhawan Shillong haka bala priang subhayu shaka parti da president jong Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent H Pala haka ni kasngi kaseng kongres kala priang subharu yu MDC jong Jhadc Hills Autonomous District Council uba Richard Lyngdoh ubala pun kre banyak kun jaga election Naralyang constituency haka ni kenti.
These are new entrants from Khartoum.
Is my special day to be a member of Congress Party. Ini termasuk Kokerpang UUM hakani ke Parti Kongres. UUM ciru wa ke Parti. Pasca di kublai pilih di lokoro, kiu di poi di sembilan langgungan, balik kiu di ding, ya kani simbol yang ke Parti Kongres. Sa kemen wong ini por wa yuluti wa kani ke Parti. Yuluti wa mana joinika yo kere lang ciru. Wonga wa pi wa Parti bat wa kinong kercan. Yo ke tong ke jingjong. Yo ini por wa kani ke jing suncar hakani ke sansnem teman ko ke jing suncar wa member yo mian adu ate. Nrei tua ale ya ke jing kala. Yes. Ke jing kala hak suncar kadar how Muslim arjarle ngakarmen skema wa ke Parti Kongres hakani arjarle yo suncar bat ngat skema ke jingjok upai pa yung ke Meghalaya hi uiu ya ke jingjok yo Parti Kongres kenang yo usuncar ko yemiat ibah yo wanra kai karoi ke par memhe memkian yo mani ke bersamaan kan ni yo kani ke सरकार एम kita di high level kini itu kau penjat ha ya keimlang kesalang tengah ini pur mengkau kelam Islam saya kemen sesendi kublai yang iuro yo luti wa yo kre sitam yo jok ke Parti Kongres apa Meghalaya yang i
with NCP I have been there for many years. They have given me a platform before. I was there, I never wanted to betray. But the fact is that with NCP, I cannot serve the people. That's why I was sad. And then when I want to go forward to give some kind of a transformation to the people, I just cannot fulfill the dreams. But in the meantime, I'm so happy, again, that I'm having a privilege to work with one of the most humblest humblest president, Vincent Pala, who is none other than the MP of Meghalaya. I'm happy, sir, to work with you. And I'm happy and glad AICC in charge, Matthew Anthony, is there, who is also a Christian. And then I was really happy to work with Lyngdoh, who was with UDP before. Now we are in the same board, and I'm happy to see even Richard also Lyngdoh from Jhadc Hills. I believe all our efforts and teamwork will definitely bring some kind of changes or bring better in the future. And I would like to welcome even one of the MPs, brother-in-law, He's none other than the Agatha's younger brother, brother-in-law, who has joined with us and who will be competing from the Congress also. And then I've got Sinbad. Along with me, we've got all my NCP Vice President, I've got NCP. We are all marching together towards this NCP tribal. Yeah, he's from Shillong, I think. And then I've got two, three more actually. All of them who could not come, make it out today. One is in the hospital, and then one is outside the country. We were supposed to march together, but out of time lapses that we could not be here today. They could not be here today. But I'm glad and happy that we will be working together to see the things that definitely will be better for the future. Why I have joined is that, like, at least this is the right, and then this is my old party, and I'm really, really happy and excited to be back again to the same fold. With these few words, I would like to, congratulate even me, myself, and then Richard also, and all the others, that definitely we will work for the people.
What made both of them come to us is because they find the development promises made in Meghalaya was only in words, but not in its spirits, not in its intentions, and no promises were fulfilled. Actually, the interest of Meghalaya was compromised, was surrendered in many areas. So that's the reason why leaders, by being themselves, getting the pulse from their own followers as well as the constituency, understands that it is only the Congress party which can deliver the required desires and the political needs of the people of Meghalaya and the state of Meghalaya. Coming from there, we are very sure of a victory in the coming elections, because the developments in the last few days of the alliance partners within the MDA having their own issues coming out in public, and the people support coming to us in loads and barrels and stocks. So we see the Congress gaining the ground back, and that's where we quoted the Martin Luther King. We kept moving. We kept moving in slow pace, we kept moving, but we never lost touch with the people. And that's the reflection of the work which we are seeing, where people are coming in. And that's what, we will be coming out in the days with what are the issues in which the government of Meghalaya, the current government of Meghalaya, compromise the interest of the people of Meghalaya. And that's where we are going to make when we discussed a lot of things with Sir President Pala, he was very clear that I don't want to make fake promises. I only want to make promises which I can deliver, because I'm answerable to my faith. I'm answerable to someone else. And I don't want to make compromises. Even if I know I will lose the elections, I will not make false compromises. And that is the biggest confidence which we are getting, because the faith in which the people are coming to Pala and the leadership here, that's the winning confidence which we have, and we are very sure of a victory.